Yo, hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to invest in gold. Okay, this video is most good for those people who don't know where to invest, what application to use. So let me show you guys how to start investing in gold for beginners. Alright, so if you guys like this video, it will help me a lot if you smash that like button. And without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are onto my desktop. Okay, first of all, you guys can use either your laptop, your desktop, or either your phone or your tab to start register this website to start investing in gold. So what you guys have to do is basically this is my link. Actually, this is my referral link. So whenever you guys register, I got some benefit. Okay, I just going to tell you guys first. Okay, this link I will put it in the comment section below, or you guys can also find it in the description. All right, I will put it. So let's see, I'm just going to copy this website because we are going to use the website to start register our gold account. Okay, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter if you guys use Firefox or Google Chrome. So I'm just going to copy and paste the website, and then they will automatically open this website right here. So if you guys are asking what is this website called, this website is called Quantum Metal. Okay, they provide a safe place for you guys to start investing in gold. Okay, so first of all, you guys can choose. Please select your citizenship. You guys, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you guys are from United States, from UK, from Bangladesh, from Bahrain, or Germany, or so on. So you guys can just find your country. So an example, we are going to find United States of America, MNOPQRSTU. So you get United States and United Kingdom. But for me, I live in Malaysia, so I'm just going to choose Malaysia. So we got Malaysia right here. So just click on next, and then they will ask for our details right here. So I'm just going to put all of my details, okay, because I won't show you guys my details. Okay, of course, obviously it's private, so I'm just going to put my name. You guys have to put your full name, your identification or national ID. For Malaysia, we call it NRIC, but for you guys in United States or in UK, if I'm not mistaken, it is called as national ID. So you guys can put national ID or either put your passport number, and you guys can choose how you guys gonna verify your registration. Either use email or using your mobile number. Just put it in everything, and you guys will see the referral code and my name right here, Muhammad Aqil Arabian Adnan, because you guys use my link to register. Okay, you guys can use my link if you want to register, or you guys can use other people's link, or you guys just search on Google QM registration. All right, so I'm just going to skip this part and I will be right back. Okay guys, after you guys have submitted the form and everything, and it will bring us to this second page, which is personal data consent form. So you guys can just click on I agree and be bound by terms and condition. And if you guys want to read the terms and condition and everything, you guys can click it and you guys can read everything. Okay, and also I consent to the collection, use and disclosure of my personal information. You guys can click on the privacy policy, and you guys will see all of the privacy and policy. So I'm just going to click both of it, and I'm just going to click agree. And then it is time for you guys to set up your password. Okay, you guys make sure your password should be at least 12 characters in length and not more than 64 characters. And let me put in my password, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm done putting in my password, and then I'm just going to click on next. And then you will receive the TAC. For me, I've put my mobile number. You guys can receive from two parts, which is it's either you guys gonna receive the TAC from your email, or you guys gonna receive your TAC from the your mobile number. So I just put my mobile number, and I will show you on the screen how it looks like if you guys receive it from your message from your mobile number. Okay, so now it is time to set up your 6-digit PIN. Okay, you guys can use any PIN that you will like, but remember to remember the PIN. Okay guys, I've done putting my 6-digit PIN, so I'm just going to submit, and then they will tell us registration successful. So what you guys have to do is just press go to login, and then just put in your details again that you guys have registered. Just going to login. Okay, and one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that I've used my mobile number to log in, so I'm just going to put in my mobile number. Okay guys, so here we are. This is how it looks like after you guys have logged in all of your details and everything. Okay, this is how the dashboard or the main page will look like after you log in. And as you guys can see here, we got gold storage account, holding inventory, gold price, float account, yada yada yada. So first of all, as you guys can see here, gold price, they will tell us how much is the price of the gold right now. And if you guys notice from my screen right here, they tell me in the unit of Malaysian ringgit, because the reason is in Malaysian ringgit because I registered under Malaysia ringgit. I mean, I register using country Malaysia. If you guys register using United States or United Kingdom, United States, you will receive in USD. In United Kingdom, if I'm not mistaken, it will be in pound sterling. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so now we are going to proceed. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you guys is that in this thing right here in Quantum Metal, it actually is really good because they have 3 types of investment, which is the first one, if you guys can see here, is GSA, GCA, and GAE. Okay, but we are going to not explain all of these 3 accounts, maybe later in the next video, but we are just going to focus on GSA, which is the gold storage account. So this is just a basic investment, gold investment. As an example, if you guys have put around $100 in the account, you will receive 100 USD worth of gold. Okay, so just as simple as that. If you put 1000 USD, you will got gold worth of 1000 USD. It's quite as simple as that. So you guys can see they will tell us how much gram of gold you have in your hand right now, or if you guys use Oz measurement, okay, approximate value, they will tell us how much the value of your gold. As you guys can see, my account, I set it using Malaysian ringgit. If you guys are United States, if I'm not mistaken, they will use this in US dollar. And yeah, that's basically as simple as that. But we are still not done. Okay, if you guys go to the left side right here, there are things that you guys have to register. Okay, what you guys have to do is just go to the user settings right here in the left corner. One thing you guys have to update is the bank account right here. Okay, you guys have to click on the bank account, and then you guys have to add, and then you will and then you guys have to put in all of your bank account details, account holder number, your Swift bank code, your account country, and yada yada yada. So well, obviously this is how you will withdraw your money. Okay, let's say you have made an investment and the gold price have increased, you want the money back. So this is the reason you have to put your bank account, so that you can withdraw the money. And you guys can also, or not also, you need to add attachment right here. If you guys can see, let me check if you guys can see, let me adjust this. Okay, so attachment is you guys have to put your bank statement. Okay, so this is a proof of the bank is under your name, so you guys can put your bank statement and everything. So let's say after all of those are done, just press submit, and then we are going to proceed. Go to upload KYC right here. Let me check if you guys can see. All right, sorry, I have to adjust my camera and everything. So you guys can see here, upload KYC. Okay, this is the second part which you guys have to update. Click on it, and then you guys have to upload your national ID. Okay, just take a picture of your national ID, proof of ID, front and back, or either your passport front back. And after you guys have saved, you guys will notice the KYC confirm right here. They will give you a right, what we call it, right shape, not a X shape, but a right shape. And yeah, that's basically it. After all of those are done, you guys can proceed with buying, or what we call it, investing in gold. Oh yeah guys, before we are going to end this video, I forgot to show you how you guys want to buy your gold. Okay, so let me show you. This is my account. I've changed my main account. You guys can see here Muhammad Akil Airi Adnan. So you guys can see all of the amount of gold I have, around 1.5 gram, around 461 Malaysian ringgit. Okay, but we are going to ignore that. We are going to first focus on how to buy your gold. Okay, first of all, go to the left side right here. Let me check if you guys can see. Okay, go to left side, click on GSA right here, and then they have two, QM sell or QM buy. QM sell is QM sell Quantum Metal sell their gold to us. QM buy is when they buy gold from us. So how do we going to buy the gold? Just press on QM sell, and then they will give us this page right here, and then transaction code, you can't fill anything, got your name and everything. So gold storage account, you guys click on your account number. Okay, they will automatically have, just click, you will bring down, just click on it, and then you guys can put how much do you want to put. As an example, I'm going to put around 100 ringgit worth of gold that I want to buy. And then QM sell method. Okay, this is how you are going to pay. Okay, online transfer. What else do you have? So for me in Malaysia, usually I just use FPX. Okay, and then for convert to gold convert, just turn it off. Okay, this I will later explain in the next video, but make sure this to turn it off because we don't want to turn it on. And then just press submit, and then they will bring this page right here, currency and everything. Just press confirm. Wait, let me check if you guys can see. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, just press confirm, and then they will bring us to this page right here, and they will show you a list of banks that you guys can use to pay the 100 Malaysian ringgit, and that's basically it. So I'm just going to click on it, and after all of those are done, and yeah, after you guys have made the payment, you guys can see the update on your gold storage account right here. They will tell you how much gram of gold that you have. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope this video will help you guys starting investing in gold, and if you guys like this video, it will help me a lot if you smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.